Somewhere, lost in the brain rot multiverse. But what? What am I doing here? And why am I dressed like this? Yo, who are you? I swear I'll mess you up, you're way too weird.
Glad you're here, Shahan. Time to explore the island. Mio must take down several legendary bosses to escape this world.
We're on El Serena's island, the queen of ice cubes. Each island is ruled by a boss. So get ready. You got that? Before facing El Serena, we're going to get ready with Ballerina Cappuccina. Because I think you're ready.
Hey, Shahan. I'm Ballerina Cappuccina. I'm going to teach you everything you need to know to take down El Serena the boss.
Shahan is finally ready to clash and defeat El Serena, the Ice Queen, in an epic battle.
Dear Shahan, welcome to my arena. Here, you'll have to face me in a dance and singing duel.
Don't even worry. I'm about to bring the heat. Just wait and see. Gomu, Gomu. Sing it out. An unforgettable epic duo. Congratulations, Shahan. You've won. I really like you. A lot. Send me your Snapchat, babe. Thank you, Shahan. You saved our beautiful island.